Mrs. Stone.
Welcome to Playing with Sounds. I'm Mr. Stone, and here are our sounds for today. First sound, ah, ah. You try it. Ah. I. Remember, not to ya. T. D. Ol. B. F. All right, first word for today. I want you to make the word bat. Bat. What's the first sound you hear in bat? B. Bat. Bat. What's that next sound? Ah. Bat. Excellent. Bat. You use a bat in baseball, or a bat is a little animal that flies. Bat. I want you to change bat to fat. Fat. Which sound do I need to change? Fat. Fat. Fat is someone who is overweight, eat too much food. Fat. And we're going to change fat to rat. Rat. What sound do I need to change? Rat. Rat is a large rodent, kind of like, looks like a mouse. Rat. And we're going to change rat to rut. Rut. What sound do I need to change? Good. Rut. So rut is a dip in the road. Rut, kind of like a hole. Now we're going to change rut to run. Run. What sound do I need to change? Good. Run. I like to run around the house. Run. Now we're going to change run to fun. Fun. What sound do I need to change? Fun. Excellent. I like to have fun. The cat in the hat like to have fun in the house. Fun. And we're going to change fun to fin. Fin. Excellent. Fin. What animal has a fin? A dolphin, a shark, lots of fish. Fin. Now we're going to change fin to fit. Fit. What sound do I need to change? T. Great. Fit. Fit is someone who's healthy, or also, does the shirt fit? Or is it too big, too small? Fit. It's just right. So we're going to change fit to lit. Lit. What sound do I need to change? Lit. I lit the candle. I lit the fire. Lit. Now we're going to change lit to lid. Lid. What sound do I need to change? D. Excellent. Lid. Containers have a lid that go on top. Lid. Well, that's it for today. Great work. And remember, be strong, be kind, be smart. See you next time.